To do this project, you're going to have to print out some star shapes. These are all the ones I used, and I got them at homadegiftsmadeeasy.com. Then you need to put parchment paper over your stars and trace them with puff paint. This is the glitter kind, and I'll link it here, but really any kind will work. It's just a matter of preference. As you can tell, the glitter is really hard to see. It's more of a shimmer, and you can't really see it until it's dry, so I'll be adding more glitter in a second here. I really like the glitter one mostly because it's translucent when it dries. If you decide to add glitter, just sprinkle it over the top of the paint while it's still wet. Once your stars are dry, carefully peel them off the parchment paper. Then press them onto a window or mirror. This is what they look like from the inside of a window, and I know it's hard to see the sparkles on camera, but in person you can see them better. And this is what they look like from the outside.